So, for the first question, nakausap ko na yung current and outgoing UFA president natin, si Romeo Ramirez. And based sa assessment namin, in the current UFA SC, napag-usapan namin na ipagpapatuloy namin yung transparency na pinopromote ngayon ng UFA. So, kung mapapansin natin yung mga hashtag FJCBPHA Watch, UFA SC Watch is part of the transparency program of the current President Romeo Ramirez. And for me, personally, itutuloy ko siya as the next UFA President. And more of that, as also the Health and Environment Committee Head, na gustuhan, pagpapatuloy rin natin yung Tambayan ko, Linis ko. Because this initiative of the Health and Environment Committee is naging beneficial siya sa mga students since naging responsible yung bawat orgs para sa malinis na tambayan.
As the UFA President, sa ating nakaraang Pangulo, nais kong ipagpatuloy ang kanyang Tambayan ko. Kasi nakita naman natin talaga every Monday, nagsisikap ang mga organization na linisin ang ating tambayan. This time around, nais kong isama ang student lounge criteria kasi kita naman natin ang kasalukuyang estado ng ating student lounge.
Next is, as the chairperson of the Health and Environment Committee, yung bago nating program this year is yung partnership natin with the Miss Philippines Earth Foundation. So, Miss Philippines Earth Foundation, yung executive director nila, si Princess Manzon, I've worked with her in the United Nations. And I've talked with her that their initiatives, the Miss Philippines Earth Foundation, initiatives in health and environment, ipapartnership ko siya ngayon sa UFA. So, para mismo ma-inspire rin yung mga tao because of their advocates na talagang passionate about the earth and about the health programs here in the college. And also, para mas ma-involve yung UP College of Pharmacy as one of the colleges in the Health Sciences Center to be able, again, as your current Secretary for External Affairs, to continually expand our networks. Yeah. Thank you.
Siyempre, as the chairperson of the Health and Environment Committee, nais kong i-adapt ang resiklo from the batch representatives. Kasi naniniwala ako this time around na dapat tulong-tulong tayo sa ating college lantern parade operations. This time, hindi lang siya periodic collection of the recyclable materials. Kasama natin dito yung GA at preparation ng mga batch representatives kasama ng faculty in charge. This is a project na two-fold aim yung nais i-address. Yun nga, yung preparation for the lantern parade at syempre, para hindi maging makalat din ang ating environment, magkakaroon tayo ng water bottle court dun sa may tambayan para dun na lang ilalagay o isushoot lahat ng mga bottles kasi ang napapansin namin is nagka-plug lagi yung basurahan doon sa may tambayan.
So, kung sangkap ako sa halo-halo, leche flan. So, bukod sa dilaw siya, as change, at it remains lagi dun sa taas ng halo-halo and it embodies me as the president. And kahit minsan, onti siya, depende sa gabeta, pag matipid, meron pa rin siyang distinct taste sa lahat ng halo-halo. Thank you.
Siyempre, ako ay yung yelo. Hindi naman kasi makukumpleto ang halo-halo kung walang yelo. Minsan yung halo-halo, walang langka, may langka. Pero pag walang yelo, hindi mo na siya pwedeng tawagin halo-halo.